Hey guys, what's up? It's AltList here, and today I'm showing you guys the top best jailbreak tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called LinearStatusBar by Checkra1n. Adds many features to the Photos app, so you see status bar theme that simplifies and modernizes your device. Choose from 3 different Wi-Fi plus network and battery designs shown in descriptions. It does work. Choose by Spark Dev is required for the battery to be themed. Check if your device is namely supported in the link below. If there's any bugs, make sure you guys contact the developer through their Discord. Next is called UU, and best tweak for YouTube app. This requires at least iOS 13.0 and up. If you're a YouTube app user, then you have to take advantage of the UU tweak. You enjoy video and audio downloads with important features, play videos in picture-in-picture, background audio playback, and a whole lot of other features that are usually restricted or not available in the YouTube app. So this tweak will add an icon button on the top right corner beside the search icon to show the downloads or download list. You can also access UU settings in the downloads list. So these features right here, you guys can read, and these are the features you get with the YouTube app. So this is the version YouTube guys it does support. It's all free with no ads at all. Next is called YT Shorts Downloader. Also tweeted download YouTube Shorts and Stories. This is called YT Silent Vote. Removes pop-up when you like or dislike videos. So saying that you like the video and feedback share with the creator. That's if you dislike the video. Next is called YTStats. Displays the status bar on YouTube when the pause screen is on. Next is called YT Speed. And compared with iOS 10 to 14, change the selectable playback rates in the YouTube app. Also saves the last picked playlist rate between starts or restarts. Selectable playback rates range from 0.5s to 4.s. Next is called Quick Search, and quickly search for something on the internet. The tweak is activated to invoke the search bar. Next is called Section restore the update via root file system DMG. Next is called Hive redesign passcode screen. So it redesigns your passcode screen and replaces it with the hexagonal pattern slightly resembling that of a beehive. Also comes with entirely new unlock animation matching the tweet's hexagonal style. The demonstration of the feature can be seen here. So from the settings, you guys do main color, text color, separator color, contrast, and unlock animation duration. So I don't know about you guys, but that was pretty freaking sick. Alright, this is actually Hive Reborn, so this is just the Reborn version of it. Some of the more updated version. Redesigned Passcode lock screen, like the one I showed you before. This is called EFM Font Setter. It applies EFM emoji font with a shell script. This is called AltList. It's the modern AltList alternative. So if iOS supports iOS 7 and up. So AltList is a developer library tend to be a more lightweight and modern alternative to AltList. So a list of which one application can be selected. Listing which every application has a switch that can be toggled. A list of every application has a subpage that can have application specific preferences. So the advantage over AltList is more lightweight, stock light implementation, more simple to use, more simple to customize, does not rely on communication to Springboard or Rocket Bootstrap, and native support for search bars, alphabetic, indexing, and more. Next is called Choicey. It's an advanced tweet configurator. It's a knowledge over detection bypass. Can technically be used as one. So the feature of this is able to tweak injection for every process individually, configure each tweak DYLB for every process individually. Disables tweets globally with the ability to set expectations for individual processes, and option for application shortcut to launch the application with or without tweets once. Supports iOS 10 to iOS 14. Next is called Etson, or Etson, however you pronounce it, and it's iPhone. It's a Zeppelin alternative. iPhone has style status bar, so you can put a theme or text or emoji in front of the carrier text or time in the status bar. You can also change the carrier name. So showing you guys, you see in the top left. I can't even go to it, but on the top left, guys, you see there's like an icon. That's pretty much what this tweak allows you to do, is put an icon on the top left. So pretty cool. And this is called Lock Plus Pro, the ultimate lock screen tweak. It has over 10,000 downloadable free themes. Supports iOS 9 to 14. This is called Android Bar. It brings Android navigation bar to iOS. So brings a feature pack version of the Android navigation bar to iOS. Your features you guys have is home button, switch to previous app button, app switcher button, Quick actions to open your favorite apps and access your favorite iOS functions. Brings the curved screen effect from Android devices to iOS devices. Disable system swipe gestures, and you can long press on the bar to collapse it into a small window, which you can then tap to bring back the full-size bar. There's also the What's New section. So this week's good if you like the Android style. Like the bar on the bottom and all that. You can see it gives you that feature. Obviously, it's not like Android where you can't go back to the last tab you've been on. It just brings you back to the last app you're on. That's the closest that I guess iOS can implement to an Android, but it's still pretty cool, guys. There's an older one, I forgot what it's called, but it only supports like up to iOS 10, and I just speak to the developer, and it's not going to be any updates. In other words, this is, if you guys want to get Android like tweak, this is the best we're going to get. That's the most updated. But if iOS 10 below, you guys can use that other tweak. You just search up on YouTube like Android features on iOS tweak or whatever. It should come up. But yeah, this is the most updated one that supports. It says 14.0 later. I believe it does. Yeah, it should support iOS 13. Maybe I have to downgrade it to support iOS 13. Next week's card, Circuit for YouTube, my favorite YouTube tweak that I actually use on a daily basis. Checkra1n gives you the features that are missing from YouTube. Also gives you full control of the app. So these features right here. What I really like this tweak is just because of the fact that it gets updated frequently, so I can use it, and also you guys can be able to download the latest version of YouTube with this. You get these features right here. You see, tells you, should tell you when it's updated. Video changes. Usually it does. They change the whole city style, but it usually gets updated every like 1 to 3 weeks. So it's pretty frequently gets updated, and usually it does work with the latest version of YouTube. Obviously, if it does not work, just keep downgrading YouTube until you find a version that's working. But it should be like definitely like one of the most updated YouTube version. This feature is called Smart Bundle 2, also mobile substrate tweak. So it's a combination of Smart Battery 2, ultimate tweak to monitor, save and tune your battery, and Smart Network 2. It's a must-have tweak to monitor and handle Wi-Fi mobile data efficiently. So with this bundle, saves you $1, so 25% discount for Smart Bundle 1 users. And this tweak is the ultimate tweak to manage, tune, and monitor your battery. So pretty cool. This tree is called ShadowX. I know it's a shadow, but it's supposed to be ShadowX. And pretty much what ShadowX does, what does it do? I think it allows you to, it's a Snapchat tweak. So it gives you like pretty much additional features of Snapchat. There's actually an IPA version, so you literally just go on Google, search up Shadow X. You can also download the IPA or the tweak, and add the developer source. I don't think I have his repo, that's why. But you guys repo, then you download the tweak, or you just download the IPA, depending on your choice of preference. And pretty much the tweak for Snapchat. I would not recommend using it on your main account because you could get banned. So use it at your own risk, guys. I'm not taking any responsibility for what happens. Like I said, it gives you it's kind of like a Snapchat plus alternative, but you are also taking a chance of getting banned if you're using the tweak. Alright, so next week we have iOS 15 emoji, iOS 15.4 EFM, so iOS 15.4 Apple emoji font for emoji font manager. And then we have the emoji iOS 15.4 EFM native, so same thing, iOS 15.4 Apple emoji font for emoji font manager, Unicode 14.0. And this tweet is called Smart Battery 2, and this is the tweet that internet connection is required when accessing the preferences page in order to validate your license. So what it allows you to do, the best tweak to save your battery life, and has very smart features. So you have these features right here, helps you save battery life. And last week's card, smart notifications too. And what this tweet does, to rewrite support iOS 13 to 14, allow the tweet to allow you to customize the notifications, such as add custom ringtones for apps, enable time frames, snooze notifications, block contacts, and much more. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.